Uttarakhand Power Corporation Limited recruitment for various posts. This is the advertisement number. This is the official site of UPCL. So as you can see here, the recruitment for different posts, that is assistant engineer, electrical, mechanical, civil, accounts officer, law officer, personal officer, senior industrial officer in UPCL. The number of vacancies for assistant engineer, for electrical and mechanical trainee, or for general there are 16 vacancies, for OBC 26, for SC 24, for ST there are 2 vacancies, and EWS for total of 72 vacancies for assistant engineer, and the pay scale will be around 15,600 to 39,100, a grade pay of 5,400. So this is the enhanced salary what you get after you get selected, and any individual who belong to India can apply, but the reservation criteria will be only to the domicile of Uttarakhand. And for assistant engineer civil, there are a total of 7 posts in different categorical classification, and for accounts officer there are 15 posts. This is the categorical vacancy, and for law officer there are 2 posts, and for personal officer there are 8 posts, and for senior industrial engineer there is 1 post, and the upper age criteria is 42 years is the upper age criteria. And for the assistant engineer, the educational qualifications are bachelor degree in either electrical or electronics or mechanical or power engineering or power system engineering, or those engineering branches which with the word of electrical, electronics or mechanical from the recognized university. And the requisite eligibility criteria, that is cutoff percentage, is 65% marks for the general, OBC and EWS category, and those who belong to the Uttarakhand SC/ST, they are eligible. Just a minimum 50% marks are required to apply for this post, and same is the criteria for even assistant engineer civil. The bachelor degree is needed in civil, and the percentage is 65% for general, OBC and EWS, and 50% marks for SC/ST of Uttarakhand domicile. And selection procedure for assistant engineer will be consisting of a written test which will be of 3 hours duration, and which will comprise of part 1 and part 2 in the concerned discipline, and the final selection will be based on the written test followed by interview of the shortlisted candidates. And part 1 examination will be bilingual objective, and they will have 50 marks of 50 questions of these following topics, that is general awareness, aptitude, reasoning for electrical and mechanical cadre and civil cadre. And part 2 will be the core subject, that is both for electrical and mechanical. The question paper will be of multiple choice questions with having 1 correct answer out of 126 marks, having 126 questions. So 126 questions, 126 marks for assistant engineer paper 2, and paper 1 will be 50 marks having 50 questions of the following discipline, that is part 1. So total that will be around 3 hours duration, part 1 and part 2, and the first section will be comprising of this aptitude, and paper 2 will be basically the objective questions of your core subject, that is electrical, mechanical or civil. So for law officer, the qualification is the applicant should have graduate in law from recognized university, and the selection procedure will be consisting of paper 1 and paper 2, and paper 1 will be duration of 1 hour 30 minutes out of 100 marks, having 100 questions of all these law related, electricity laws, contract laws, consumer and labor laws, and general laws, etc., and general awareness as well. And paper 2 will be subjective written test paper for 2 hours of 100 marks on essay writing on any law subjects, that is electricity law, contract law, and consumer and labor laws and general laws, etc. So this is regarding the selection procedure for law officer. And for accounts officer, there should be a requirement of preferential qualification of 2 years experience is required, and they should have professional degree of either CA or ICWA or MBA finance and plus experience. Selection procedure will be based upon the written test, followed by the paper 1 will be comprising of 1 hour 30 minutes, 100 marks, having 100 questions in either finance, accounts, or audit, budget. So this is the respective discipline. The questions will be asked in paper 1, and paper 2 will be subjective, that is written test paper for the duration of 2 hours, 100 marks on the account subject, that is either finance, accounts, or audit, or budget. So this is the selection procedure for accounts officer. For personal officer, the qualification should have any postgraduate degree or equivalent in personal management or industrial relations, and also there should be a minimum of 5 years post qualification experience needed to apply for the post of personal officer. And the selection procedure will be comprising of paper 1 and paper 2, and paper 1 will be a written test of 1 hour 30 minutes for 100 questions, 100 marks, depending upon the requisite criteria. So this is all the syllabus for the personal officer, and there will be subjective written test of 2 hours for 100 marks, that is essay writing on personal subjects, personal management, industrial and labor laws, industrial relations, and labor welfare. And for senior industrial engineer, the applicant should be engineering graduate with postgraduate degree or equivalent, and a minimum of 7 years experience is needed to apply for this post, and selection procedure will be done based on interview only. So this is regarding the number of vacancies and different posts. And written test center will be at Dehradun, Haridwar, Srinagar, Patnagar, and Almora. So these are the written test centers, and 800 rupees application fees for general, OBC, and EWS candidates, and rupees 400 for SC/ST candidates of Uttarakhand state only. So the candidates belonging to other states will be considered as general candidates, so you need to pay 800 rupees as application fees. So this is regarding the number of vacancies, eligibility criteria, and different posts. So this is the official site. If you just go on for new registration, you will be directed to that tab. You can apply online. If you have any doubts, please do comment. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.